see what is yummy for you and me. On the table, what do we find? A choice to make, let's use our mind.
An apple red, glowing so bright. Or a sugary cake, a heavy sight.
Hi everyone! Welcome to our magical playground!
And lead the way, sliding down the magic pink slide. With healthy power, we take a ride. Yummy, yummy fruit, it's so sweet. Gives us strength from head to feet. Go, go, go! Feel the beat! Healthy food is a magical treat.
Wow, I feel energized!
Broccoli trees, crunchy and green. The bestest snack we've ever seen. Crunch, 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 hear the sound. Now we're the fastest kids around.
Soda is fizzy, but makes us slow. We need the water to help us grow. Drink it up, 1, 2, and 3. Healthy and happy, that's you and me. Can you jump?
Jump, jump!
Can you clap?
Clap, clap!
With fruit power we never nap. Spin around on the pink, pink grass, watching the happy moments pass.
Stomp your feet, reach for the sky. Healthy kids can fly so high.